Hey, Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I finished the Western New York and Pennsylvania engine and finished upgrading all the lighting on it. So when we take a look at it in comparison to the BC Rail engine on the right, which doesn't have the lighting upgrade in it yet. So there's the headlight, there's the ditch lights. The ditch lights on the left, you could see, are fine. You can see the ones on the right, not the ones on the nose, but the ones on the bottom are barely visible, where the ones on the right are clearly superior with the lighting upgrade. I'm going to shut off the BC Rail because I don't want it to move. There we go, and let's just take this for a quick spin then and get the number boards on. And they had this engine wired a little funky the last time I shot the video. The rear ditch lights just stayed on with the front ditch lights, and I had to rewire it. You'll see when it goes, but you could see all the louvers are highlighted and all the grills are painted black and all the normal stuff I would do. Okay, and that's good enough. So the way that they had it wired is that the ditch lights stayed on. I rewired it so the ditch lights only go on with the rear headlights. So there you go. And it's kind of hard to see from that angle, but those are the same brightness as the front ones were. And again, it's hard to see from that angle, but it doesn't really matter. You saw it before, so. Alright, well, there you go. That's the lighting upgrade. And this engine will be up on eBay for sale shortly. But I like the Western PA, the Western New York and PA engine. I think that maroon with the black on it really weather's nice. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I got a couple other engines to show you guys, so there should be one more video after this.